The things that are rewarding now are detrimental in the end. And the things that are hard now become rewarding in the end. The things that are rewarding now becomes hard in the end. The things that are hard now become rewarding in the end. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. If you drink or you smoke, it's satisfying, it's gratifying right now, you're having fun. But as time goes on, you might get, like years go by, you might get liver disease, you might get cancer from these things. It's inevitable. But if you choose to fast now or go to the gym now, it's hard, it's difficult, it's not easy. But in the long run, it's rewarding. It's rewarding. You see the results of that hard work. And so, in the same way with life, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Leave the parties alone. Leave the drinking out and going out and doing all these things. Leave it alone. Focus on working towards your goals. Focus on working towards achieving success for your life. Do the hard thing now, and then you can do the rewarding thing later. That's how this game works, bro. And I hope it helped. Ha! Levels.